Self-employed home loans are not that complicated. Hi, I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson, local mortgage broker in Caloundra, Sunshine Coast, Queensland. I can do anyone in Australia. So let's talk a little bit about self-employed home loans and what does make the difference in them. With a PAYG, if you work for someone else, full-time, casual, part-time or contract, you usually get a payslip, which makes life a little bit more easier. But as a self-employed person, or you own a company, you're a sole trader or a partnership or run a trust, basically all your gross income, you have to do all your tax, obviously. So when you're self-employed and you're looking for a self-employed loan, the good advantage of that is that you're going to need 2 years tax returns if you want to do a basic home loan. It works exactly the same as getting any other loan if you are self-employed. So different lenders have different things. It's just different criteria in regards to servicing your loan. It's still income. So you'll need 2 years tax returns. Some lenders will do 1 year tax return plus 2 BAS quarters, or you can do an accountant's letter. Some of the lenders will accept an accountant's letter, some won't. So basically it's going to cost you a 15-minute free phone call. Give me a call and see where you stand with your servicing. The other thing is too, we go on your net income. So when you've done your returns, you've got all your gross income that comes in, and you've got all your expenses, whatever the net is, that is what your income's going to be. Also remember, there are going to be some things that we can add back as well. So we can look at some of your lending, we can look at some of your servicing. If it's not going to service, we can actually look at certain things that we might be able to add back into helping you with the servicing. But like I said, it's just a reach out, have a chat with me, and then we can see where you stand. It doesn't mean it's going to cost you any more in a loan. They used to call them low doc loans. Some of them still basically a low doc loan today is basically going to have an accountant's letter. But if you've done your tax, a lot of the lenders now will look at what your taxable income was from last year and what it's going to be this year. If there's a massive difference, obviously it's going to do a red flag to have a look at those things, and it might be we've done add backs and things like that. So a self-employed loan is not complicated. It's just a matter of give me a call and reach out to me. So on a self-employed loan, it just means we're not using traditional pay slips, okay? So basically it's just altered documentation. So I'm just having a look on the website. I do have a page on this, on self-employed loans, a lot more information regarding that, the eligibility required documents and so forth. Basically also a lot of the lenders will look at, it's just brought to my attention, is how old is your ABN? How long you've been in business, how long is your history there. It'll also look at your personal and your business tax returns. So if you've got other personal tax returns from last year, and you've only been in business 1 year, and you've got business tax for this one and personal for that, that's all going to come into account because it's all income that you've earned and it can service a loan. So you'll need bank statements and obviously your ABN is if it's been registered. Okay, so there's a few things to take into account, but it's not that complicated. All right, reach out to me, 15-minute call, and we can chat to see about where you sit to be able to get any lending to buy a property or an investment property or anything that you're looking to do. I'm here to help you with all your lending solutions, because your story equals lending solutions. Everybody's story is different. Everybody's requirements are different. Where people are in their situation, in parts of their process of their life, it's all different. That's why your story is unique to you, and your lending solution is unique as well. Okay, see you later. I hope you found the information useful. Please subscribe to the channel and help me grow so that I can give more educational material for you in the future. Okay, we'll see you soon, or give us a call if you need to.